going on, my people? It's Suburban Angling. Welcome to the channel, or welcome back. Today I am out here doing some more river fishing. If you're not new to my channel and you watch my videos a lot, then you know that is what one of my favorite things to do is hop into my local rivers and just bag up on these smallmouth, walleye, pike, catfish, whatever's active. We're gonna go out there, we're gonna catch them. My buddy David actually is already parked up here. He's downstream with some of his buddies, so I'm gonna go down there and meet him up. Hopefully we get a banger video for you guys, so stay tuned and enjoy. My God, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Crystal clear water. There was just a fish literally right here on the bank. Oh, that's a smallmouth. That's a big smallie chasing bait right there in front of me. Okay. Smallmouth just broke the surface in front of me. On nice smallmouth on the top water. I literally, guys, I did not plan that. Oh yeah, dude. First fish of the day. Smoked the whopper plopper. I literally turned the camera on because I saw a smallmouth bust ahead of me, made one cast to this weed line, and got murked by this dude right here. Let's get him. Okay. Let's get control of those hooks. Got one set of hooks out. Got him. Okay, cool. Awesome. I got a nice smallmouth, number one. He crushed that whopper plopper. That's also, it's not even that big, but he absolutely murked that thing. Gotta love smallmouth. Let's toss him back. Bloop. Oh, he gave us a little jump. That was sick. Okay, let me move downstream a little bit to where I know there's some deeper shorelines. So my buddy said he was downstream near a rock wall somewhere. Sometimes he gets upstream and downstream mixed up. So I don't know if he, I don't know. Oh my God, as soon as it hit the water. Oh my gosh. I didn't even have to plop it once. Same exact cast. This one's bigger too. Dude, they are on the top water. Fish number two. Okay. I got hooked in the finger the other week, guys, so I'm just a little bit weary about grabbing them when they got all these hooks. There he goes. Yeah, you guys, I didn't even need to show that fish off. Literally didn't even need to show that fish off. Like, it hit the water and I got blown up on. You guys obviously saw me struggling to unhook them. I got hooked in the finger 2 weeks ago, so I am kind of just the shorelines on the other side where you guys saw me catch fish, like, you know, those first couple of fish, like those spots are consistent all day. But the real, you know, way I'm gonna get numbers is tossing this helgermite in some of these current seams or finding, you know what I mean? Oh, there's a fish. Oh, it's fighting good now. Oh my God. Dude, check this out. What is that, folks? What is that? Freaking rock bass hooked himself on the plopper. Let's get a hold of this thing. Let's grab the plopper. Look at that. Can you guys get him in the sun? Look at that rock bass right there. Freaking smoked the plopper. Gave me a good little fight. We're getting species today. 3 species: largemouth, smallmouth, rock. Oh my God, biggin. There he is. That's a good smallmouth. Might even be a pike. Literally, did you guys see him go for it, miss it, and then come back? Oh my God, it's a big largemouth. It's a big largemouth and he's not hooked good. Oh God, he got stuck on the tree. Oh, don't jump. Oh, he's not hooked good. Oh, what do I do? Just gotta grab him. Ah. Heck, oh my God, get that hook away from me. That's a chunky fish, dude. Look at that hook, just came right out. The cheek hook was really the one doing it for me. That's a chunky largemouth, dude. Look at that fish. He's like 16 inches and he's like over 2 pounds. That's a chunky largemouth for like a river like this. He just sits in that slack current. He lives in like a river that gets up to freaking 3,000-4,000 cubic feet per second. Like, that's why he's such a built tanky largemouth, because he has overcome a lot of adversity. Let's get him in the light. Look at that fish. Ready? Boom. That was awesome. That was awesome. Glad I stayed with the Topwater for a little bit. Let's get a few more. Yeah, that fish literally came all the way. Oh my God, I'm on again. As soon as it hit the water. Oh my God, he wants to jump. He just tried to jump. It's another largemouth. He's trying to jump. Oh my God, it's another good largemouth. Oh no, this is a smallmouth. Oh, it's a largemouth. Get him away from the waders. Get him away from the waders with that hook. Yeah, this one's hooked good. Oh my goodness. They can't keep off of it when you find them. Grab this hook. Jeez, I literally just restarted the clip, made another cast, and got another chunky river largie. Another healthy one. It literally hit the water, and I'm trying to explain how dope the fishing is, and I'm already on again. Let's get another fish, dude. Keep catching them. Let's keep catching them. There he goes. Let's go. Nice smallie on the helgie. Get a grip, kid. Nice little smallmouth on the helgermite. Blue and green and beautiful. Just throw him back. Oh, I got a school.
Looks like a nice one too.
It's like 1.5 pounds, but there was like 3 following them. Let's get him. Heck yeah. That's a nice smallie. Get him in the sun. Nice fish. Oh. He's mean. Look at him. I got a good one.
Yeah, they're on the backside.
There's like, bro, there's a school. They're following them, dude. Oh my God. Another smallie. 2 casts in a row. On the helgermite. Let's grab him up. He thumped it. Another one on that helgermite. another 14-inch, 13-inch smallmouth. They're hungry. You're about to get them. You're about to get them. They're like over it's like 2 of them over a pound. Oh, he got it. CG, we don't need the rock wall.
He's not going up there because you don't think he's gonna be fish. He just on some like lazy, I just want to chill.
Yeah. No, I feel, especially after you wade up there. All right, guys, nice smallie, but we're gonna get him back because I don't know. Yeah, that was a good one, dude. There he is. Oh, it's a good one.
That's probably the other one you saw.
That's a good one. I'm telling you, dude. I saw, dude, that's a good one. That's a really nice one. Hold on. Look at this, look at this, folks. He's a menace. Damn, he's literally like not, dude, guys, he is literally not letting David like get it. Like, I'm trying to show you the fish and David's like he's just like we're not even messing around. He's just working them. Like, we're not even messing around. Oh my God. Why is he so mean? Look at him. That predator's freaking
in the Little John too. That, right, my friends, is why we come out here. Oh my God, the tickler just gone.
Oh my God. Dude, there's big ants under this log. Like a big, oh, dude. There's like 4 of them under there, dude. Like rock bass and all types of stuff. He's hooked good too.